Want to learn about great barbecue? Today we're going to learn about what's in the sauce. Hi, this is David Engelmeyer with Ribstock. Today I'm out in Elkhorn, going to meet with Nate from Boyd and Charlie's. Nate and I are going to talk about what goes into the sauce, we're going to talk about the different types of meats, and we're going to take a look at their big cooker. After that's done, we're going to try some of our freshly cooked meats and talk about what's in the sauce. Join us today for the Saucy Details. What type of sauce are you making for us?
Okay, so I'm gonna make our spicy sauce. This one's fairly new. We've been making this one about 3 months or so.
There is a difference between locations and the type of barbecue
Absolutely.
sauces that they use.
Absolutely.
Whether you're in Kansas City or you're maybe at Memphis in May, the type of barbecue sauce that's going to win a competition is completely different because of what you just said.
Absolutely. You've got mustard-based sauces, vinegar-based sauces, ketchup-based sauce. First ingredient we're gonna start with, take a smell. What do we think it is?
That smells like a very good peach.
Absolutely. Close. So we're mango.
Mango, okay.
So, and you're probably wondering, all right, so you're making a spicy sauce, but you're adding something very sweet to start. We're gonna have a nice sweetness, but then all of a sudden it's gonna pop.
Kick at the end.
Go ahead and add our mango.
A little garlic.
Yep, so a little minced garlic.
Worcestershire.
Big ingredient in all barbecue sauces right here. Vinegar. Brings out some good flavors in there, kind of neutralizes some of the other ingredients. Little fun facts about ketchup. I despise ketchup. I hate ketchup with all my being. And I have to put a lot of this in every sauce. I'm sure you know what this is.
Little brown sugar?
Little brown sugar. We got some honey. Just brings out a lot of good flavors and stuff like that. Give it a little thickness as well.
Cayenne, I
Little
presume?
cayenne. So here's where you're gonna get your heat out of this. Salt.
Okay.
So we add a lot of sweetness in there. Salt's gonna neutralize all that sweetness.
You do everything in-house.
We do all of our sauces in-house, stir it up real good. Then we gotta get this to the heat. All right, so once you get this all mixed up, you get it on the heat. Once it's close to a boil, then we'll add our last ingredient here. Our last ingredient is our cornstarch, mixed with some water. Just thickens that sauce up.
Pork loin, I think, is pretty straightforward, but when it comes to ribs, there's kind of different styles. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So what you've got here is your standard baby back. Gonna be a nice, lean, very tender rib. A little bit on the smaller side compared to some of the ribs you might be used to. A lot of people do St. Louis style ribs, which is almost like a spare rib. Spare rib's gonna be a little meatier, a little more fat to it. Also very standard in size a lot of times too. The baby backs can vary a little bit. Pork tenderloin, gotta be careful when you cook it. You can definitely overcook a pork tenderloin.
Temperature, internal?
140, 150 definitely. You want a little bit of pink, not too much though. The ribs, we're big at almost falling off the bone. That's how we like it. We have a nice company that's local that makes our rubs for us, for our needs. And we've changed a little bit throughout the years. This one is our favorite. We use this one on a lot of stuff. It's got a little bit of spice to it, not too much spice. You definitely got to make sure you're not over rubbing your meat. Don't under rub your meat as well. So we got our temperature set, and then I'm gonna load some wood into it as well. Bone down, spread them out so we get a nice even smoke. One thing you always wanna make sure when you load meat is you don't want different cuts of meat to drip on different cuts of meat. Now we say, see you in a couple hours, guys. We've got our finished product of our smoked tenderloin. Notice the nice crust on it. You got our baby backs. Got a couple sliced here ready to go for you. The nice glistening baby back fully cooked here. Notice the bones sticking out, knowing that it's done.
Right.
And here's that sauce we worked on. So if you want to grab a rib and dig in there.
Well, I suppose we should try one of those.
Absolutely. Get messy, my man.
I appreciate this. All right, let's give this a whirl. What? You guys do
Nice
good work.
nice and tender, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna cut us up
Yeah,
some
why don't you
pork
cut
tenderloin.
that up, and then we can try
Absolutely.
that as well.
Dip it if you want to, whatever you'd like there. Nice and juicy there.
You even have the beautiful smoke ring
You got
there.
your ring there. Melts in your mouth, right?
You did a very good job there.
Thank you.
That is awesome.
Thank you.
If you want to enjoy great food like this, come on out to Boyd and Charlie's. A big thank you to Boyd and Charlie's for taking some time today to share with us what's in the sauce. If you're a dog lover or an animal lover in general, you're gonna love next week's episode as we sit down with Lee Legenhausen of Pick-a-Pooch and we discuss about the event going on simultaneously on July 24th at Stinson Park for our event and Pick-a-Pooch at Baxter Arena. Join us for the next episode of the Saucy Details. Like us on Facebook and share this video with your friends and family.